Hello, welcome to our Wednesday webinar. Today you're gonna see how we plan step by step such an wardrobe with inserts, and yeah, we will go through all steps. And first of all, I change here the view, and when there are any questions, just let me know. I will keep an eye on the chat. And before we start, I will activate here also the measurements and the smart clicks. Yeah, you see that this cabinet is built from in total 9 cabinets, and we click now on File and start a new project. All right. First of all, here it's the width of the room is 4,200, and here we can also change. The room is not so important in this project, but we will do it anyway. Yeah, so the default width of the wardrobe areas, they are 700, and here the height is 2100. So here on top of this cabinet will be, we will add here a cabinet, yeah, and the height is 400. Yeah, I will keep the width like this. We will change it afterwards anyway. But what we do, we turn off the plinth legs and set to no plinth. So yeah, we start with all cabinets. Here we add a new one, and the width of it is 2100 millimeter, and the height is also 400. So what you need to consider is there is a difference between here when we click on here on adding a new cabinet. Yeah, when you add a new cabinet, it's like you drag the default cabinet and drop it on here. Yeah, or you can also copy a cabinet. Now, when you here click copy cabinet, then you copy the activated cabinet, yeah, and the activated cabinet is this, but on here we don't want to have the activated cabinet. We want to have this one. That's why I click on the measurement, confirm it with enter, yeah, and then you see here the first cabinet is also with marked is activated. Yeah, you see it on a red smart clicks, and this we want to copy, and that's why we click on here, and we don't click add, we click copy cabinet. Yeah, and we will copy it again. All right. What you also see, the plinths, they are separate. Yeah, and we want to change here the height of the plinth, yeah, from 80 to 50 mil. And we will, when you want to connect the plinths, yeah, you need to change the offset, yeah, because here when you scroll in here, you see you have here a gap of 4 millimeter. Yeah, you can measure it when you keep the control button pressed. You click on the corner points, and you see here the gap is 4 millimeter. Yeah, and when you click here. Here this is now activated. It's already to 50 millimeter. And when you also say the offset is 0, and you say it's for all cabinets, except the second one because it is on top, and then you close this, you see all cabinets are now connected. You see it. I'm here only on the plinth is marked as 1. And we don't have it on this. And this is because the offset is for our cabinets now changed, and the height is set to 50. So that you can keep in mind. So, all right, then let's go to the inserts. Therefore, we have now the 5th cabinet. Now we add here the 6th one. So we zoom in here, and here we add a new one. We add the default cabinet, and here we turn off the plinth legs, and here we don't want to have a plinth neither. So the height is here 600. So, and the width is here not 700, it's 750. Why 750? I will tell you, because later on we have here the oak insert, and it has the depth of it, the thickness, I mean, is here 40 mil. It's 40 mil, and here we have a division. Now we have 3 verticals, and the verticals are going through top and bottom, and they are double up. You will also see we will get 3 cabinets instead of 1. You see here also the plinth legs are here activated. So, and when you zoom in here, you see, because you see here it's on a same level. That's why 740, because the thickness is 40 of this. And this is belonging to the insert. All right. And the next thing is, because of this is the insert, it should have also an overlap to front of 18. That is later on the same level as the fronts. So this cabinet we take, and we will copy on top of this. That's why we click on here and click copy. So we go back here to the material tab, activate here all parts of group, and we have here all parts of group, and we delete this side because we don't want to have it. And you see here we need to let the bottom, the horizontal bottom passing. And here we have here also the overlap to the front of 18. That is all right, and we have it here on the left side as well. And for the top panel the same. All right, that looks fine. And we have here a height of 500. As an open area, that this area will be open and it has a height of 500. And now we copy here this bottom cabinet on top of here. Yeah, that's why we go back to the cabinet. We activate here the 6th cabinet. Now you see it's also activated, cabinet number 6. And we click on the smart click and click here, copy cabinet. So yeah, that is how we want to have it. That's exactly the same as the bottom one. So, and now you see we can change here the width of it, and it's 4200, confirming with enter. Yeah, and now you see it's going directly to here, and we go to the division tab, and we will have here 5 verticals, and they are passing through top and bottom, and they are double. Yeah, you see it's all right. And when we zoom in here, yeah, you see the same case as in the bottom. Yeah, it's suited perfectly. All right. Now we need to complete the oak insert, and therefore we activate here cabinet number 7 again. Yeah, by just clicking on any dimension of it and confirming it. And now we click here again and say copy. So it's copied now, and we need to change the measurements. And also here we don't want to have the side because we have already a left side. So that's why we are deleting the left side. And here we will let the horizontal passing. Yeah, and then it's fine. Yeah, and here for the left side, we have it here, and we change here the measurements. Yeah, width of the cabinet is 1400 minus 40. Confirming with enter, and it's already here. So, and the height is also 500 equals 500 plus 1200. Yeah, it's here 600 plus 600 is 1200 plus 500. And now the insert is already well done. All right. That is it. So For the back, you see here is still a gap. Yeah, we will change here the back. We go here on the cabinet tab and we say we want to have a flat back. Now you see it's changed and the distance to the side is 0. Yeah, we want to extend this back, and here on this cabinet we will delete the back. Yeah, because here in this case I used material here. Here we need to deactivate the rotation function. So, and here we don't want to have a back. That's why we click here in the setting and click here remove back. One is coded remove back. We will save this. Yeah, and here we click here on a smart click for this area and click on a setting, and here we will have a distance back to left. Yeah, we need to, you see here the arrow, so we need to have here a minus 740, yeah, 700 plus the 40 of the material, then it will be on the other direction. Yeah, so after you click save, yeah, you see here it's extended. All right, now it's well structured and we can continue. So here we go to the division, yeah, and here we can divide the cabinet. Yeah, change here the height of it, and we can here also click in interior and add like a close rail, change the distance to top. Here we choose the hardware, have top fixed or side fixing, and then just dragging and dropping in our area. So when you have here the same setting for other areas, yeah, you can go here to the smart click for the whole area, click on it, copy it, and here as well you see the whole area is purple colored, click on it and paste it. You can also do it for this side here. So, and when you're done with the division and the interior, you go here to the front tab and here you can drag and drop the doors over the areas where you want to have it. Yeah, so when you want to let passing through a higher area, then you go here, you let it drop on a divider and it automatically takes the higher area. Yeah, here is here we only have the right door here, but for the other ones we want to have here a left door. Yeah, and here we want to have a left door as well. So for all top cabinets we will have a lid, and here we want to have drawers. Yeah, here you can choose the hardware for the drawer boxes, and yeah, here we just add by dragging and dropping the drawers. So, and here in this area we want to have 3 drawers. And now we need to check here the gap, yeah, because here it's going to the edge. When you measure this one, yeah, you see here we have DZ, a gap of 6 mil. Yeah, that is here on the same level. Here you see we have a gap of 3 in X direction and 3 in Z direction. Yeah, but here it should be here on the same level, that we have here a gap of only 3. Yeah, that's why we click here on a smart click, go here overlap bottom and type in 3, confirming with enter. And you see here it's in the same level. So now we measure the difference here in X direction. Yeah, you see dz is 3, that is fine. Dx is 1.5. Yeah, and here the same. It's 1.5 in X. Yeah, just keep the control button pressed and go here on a corner, click on it, 1.5. So that means we need to click on the smart clicks and here overlap at right, and here we type in minus 1.5, confirming with enter. So it's calculating. Yeah, and here on the left side we need to extend it. Yeah, you see it's still 1.5, but we want to have it on 0, then it looks nice and neat. So here we extend it and type in 1.5, confirming with enter. And here we are. Now we can measure it now here, and you see dx and dz is 3. And here over the cross measuring the same. That is how we want to have it. So last but not least, it's the same story here. Yeah, we need to extend this here as well. 3 mil. Yeah, that is a default. I mean, what you could leave it, but yeah, you will have a 3 mil gap. Yeah, when we drag and drop now one lid in here and in here as well. Yeah, you see we need to change this here if you want, like on the bottom, or when you say it's not mattering too much, you can also leave it. Yeah, because here it's fine. Yeah, you see here we have here the 3 mil gap, and here it is the middle. Yeah, but the insert is going here to the edge. So you can extend it here and short it on the other one. Yeah, that is up to you. Yeah, and here for the rest, you drag it and drop it. Yeah. Also, because that are separate cabinets, the default here is 6 mil. Yeah, you see here when you measure this edge to here, you have DZ3 and DX3 as well. Yeah, and here as well. Yeah, that means we have here a gap of 6, which is a default. Yeah, you can extend here the bottom ones to the 3, and this would be fine. Yeah, so it's you can decide how you want to have it. Yeah, because I think when you are here on the bottom, you don't see it so much. All right, yeah, so you can do it for the rest as well, but you don't have to. I just show you what is possible and how you are doing this. All right, that is it. And when you are well done, you can, of course, turn off the dimensions and so on. And here the handles, in this case, we don't want to have a handle. That's why we click here no handle. Yeah, then we have no handle, but it is only here for the right one. You can do it for all cabinets. Yeah, we keep all the checkboxes active and closes, and you see all handles are disappearing. So now we are well done. You can draw the fronts open and present it to your customer. Yeah, you can also present it with visible fronts. Or like normal. Yeah, that is a glass view. That is the view with edge bendings. You can choose your favorite, and when you got it, you can click here on data export and save your cutting list. Yeah, here you can choose your layout. And after you click export ASCII, yeah, you can save it as a CSV file. All right, now we are well done. Thank you for your attention and have fun to plan it yourself, and take care. Bye bye.